Hey you, it's me again. Like you can see, I'm a little bit red. I jump started and I thought, why not make a video? Because today I woke up and I'm not in a good mood for a lot of reasons, but then I came to think about my partner in crime, my old friend. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Yeah, my best friend. This little tool has helped me since I was like 13, 14, I don't know. Because when I'm in a bad mood, or usually, I use this one. And just scrape it. I don't know if it's a good thing, but it's kind of like beauty therapy. Something I can control, I guess. I don't know. Even if I have really great skin, there's always something to get out of there. So I thought, why not make a video? Not a very fun one because I'm not in a fun mood, but I'm doing this for me. It's like therapy. I'm just gonna make like a self-care video where I am taking care of myself. I'm gonna start with like washing my face. Then I'm using this one, Cetaphil. Cetaphil, I don't know how to pronounce it. Just like a gentle skin cleanser for sensitive or dry skin. No fragrant, whatever. I'm just gonna use it. Clean my face. I don't know what I'm gonna do really. Face mask. Royal Jelly Ultra Hydrating Essence Mask. I got this as a present. It expired 2019. Well, no wonder I get like red and no, it's fine. It should be fine. Yeah, I'm just gonna open it. Put it on. Okay, Royal Jelly. Royal Jelly contains 10 HDA, flavorful acid, I don't know, enzymes. Allows to maintain skin elasticity. Water, blah, blah. Okay. Hello. Is there anything left? I mean, it's not been used. See, this is already getting me in a better mood. I thought it was like, but it's okay. Cool. I like that. I like that. Okay, you just like fold it out. Real? Scary. It smells weird. Ooh, it's like a Halloween mask. I don't know if this doesn't make me in a better mood, at least it can get you in a better mood because this looks crazy. Wow, I can't believe I'm filming this, but I like to be on camera, so why not? Okay, so I'm just gonna... I look like someone from like Pedro Almodovar's movies or something. How are you pronouncing it? I look like I escaped from like a institution or something. Okay. Good. Now I'm gonna let this sit for like 30 minutes. It says on the back. 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so my mood, my bad mood, I woke up because I'm real sensitive and it was like, I had this feeling from yesterday. I didn't go to bed like in a happy mood. Yesterday, me and my boyfriend were watching a program, and out of nowhere, he were calling a woman on TV for a effing bitch, and I got really upset because that's so not like him. I think that is wrong because he was annoyed by her, but then I said, what about that guy? You were annoyed by him too. Yeah, so I got really upset, and that just feeling just stuck through the whole night, and I probably dreamt weird stuff, and I woke up and I just I was not happy with him. And this is falling off. The lights. It's just so wrong. I mean, she didn't do anything wrong. I mean, even if a woman is annoying, you shouldn't call her a bitch. Like Zuckerman would have said. Why is it we call a male assertive and a female pushy? Why is the guy tough and a girl a bitch? And that was like 92. It's like over 20 years ago. Come on. Okay, so this is like falling off. I like it because it was not messy to put on, but I don't like it because it's like it's falling off. You have to like do this every second. And it hasn't even been 10 minutes. I'm gonna put a little bit of water to make it stick. Did it work? Nah. Well, maybe it's a bit dried out because it did expire a few months ago. A year? I don't know. Well, I don't know if this mask can fix my mood, but talking about it does. One of the worst things I know. Like being condescending towards women. So I got so upset, and then I slept through the night and just had that feeling like, who is he? I know I can be a bit dramatic, but that's just how I felt. I mean, yeah, well, she was annoying, and that's not reason at all. Like, a lot of people do that. They just comment on women. They see how they look like, what they do, in a total different way than they do towards men. Like, there was another guy on the program. He was also annoying, and I was like, you didn't call him an effing guy or whatever. It was the women who got the anger, and that just gets to me. Yeah. It's time to take this off, I guess. Let's see what it looks like. What? Okay, yeah. I feel refreshed. I got greasy hair, and I'm on my way out for a jog, so. But I already feel a little bit better. Talking about it and like self-care. That's like, okay, so I don't know, it feels a little bit sticky, so I'm just gonna wash it off real quick. Okay, yeah, I feel fresher. Then I'm gonna use this, also Cetaphil. I cannot really hear my tone, the tone of my voice is like more pitchy, which means I'm in a better mood. Moisturizing lotion, face and body for sensitive or dry skin, which is good, fragrance free, from the local pharmacy. I like it. I'm just gonna pump a little bit more. Okay, it's not like a before and after. Ta-da! I look the same. Then I'm gonna use this 8-hour cream, the original skin protectant, blah blah blah. A little bit Arden. Lights. I mean, come on. Feels like my lip is cracking a bit. I'm just gonna put it there. I don't know what kind of video this is. It's really mostly for me. I think, and I don't know, it can be, funny. I don't know, it can be quite soothing to watch movies like this. Movies. I'm making a movie. Feels like this it's good for your skin. I mean, it looks shiny, it doesn't look good, but I'm just putting it on as like medicine for my skin. Okay. I'm ready to jog. Okay. I look the same, but I feel better. And that's something. I don't know if the mask did something, but the overall experience did something for my mood, at least. So I'm grateful for that. And me and my boyfriend talked it out, so it's fine. He said it was like not right to do that. So I know he's a great man, otherwise he wouldn't be in my life. Do something for yourself today that makes you smile. My tip of the day. This helped me at least, so it was worth it. Even though now I'm going out for a jog. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.